Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, this is our fifth video on succulents, and in our earlier video we have already explained about the soil preparation, planting, watering, fertilization process and pest control method. And in today's video we are going to explain that how we can easily propagate our plants for getting more plants from the single succulent plant. So if you are also growing succulents at your home garden, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. So friends, as we all know that plant propagation is a kind of technique that used for creating more new plants from the available plant. And if we understand about the propagation method, then we can easily grow and prepare many plants by own, and we do not need to purchase them from other resources. And there are many popular techniques for plant propagation, but if we talk about the succulents, then there are four types of techniques which are being used. The first is offset method, second is leaf cutting method, third is stem cutting method, and the last is seed growing method. And in this video we are going to explain about the offset method and the leaf cutting method, so please understand them carefully and do not skip the video till the end. First of all, we are going to explain about the offset method, and before we explain more, here we need to understand about the term offset. So in plant propagation, offsets are those small plants which generally grow around the mother plant at the bottom side and also grow their roots separately, and we can easily grow them after dividing from the mother plant. And this technique we can use for all those succulents which grow offsets around them. So for offset propagation technique, first of all we should ready our succulent soil and a bunch of small pots or seedling tray. And after keeping them ready, now we should take our succulent plant which is already growing offsets or baby plant around it. And here you can see that this is our Gasteria succulent and it is growing many offsets around it. Now it is ready to propagate and we can collect and grow all these small plants separately. So first of all we will take this plant out from the existing pot by following a simple method as we are doing here, and after this we will take out the plant from the pot. And here you can see many small baby plants which are connected with bottom stem, and now we will divide them and collect them for growing separately. And for doing this, first of all we will remove the bottom soil as we are doing here. And now we will collect all small plants carefully by pulling them out, and while doing this we should always take care that the roots should not be damaged. And after this process you can see that we have collected 7 number of new plants from the single plant, and some more are still attached with the mother plant, and we will propagate them later. And after this we will repot all these plants one by one in our pots and seedling tray. And after the watering process, we will keep them under a shady area and wait for the new growth. So this was the offset propagation method for succulents, and now we will explain about the leaf cutting method. And here we need to understand that all those succulents which do not grow offsets can be easily propagated by leaf cutting method. But how to do and when to do is the most important part that we are going to explain here. So please understand it carefully. Whenever any succulent's main stem become too long, then it is the right time to propagate the plant by leaf cutting method. And for this we should always collect the bottom area leaves as we are doing here, because these leaves have more capacity to grow roots for growing new plant. So we should always pick them from the bottom area. And after this we should ready one small pot with succulent soil and place all these leaves on soil as we are doing here. And after this we will sprinkle water and maintain the proper watering at the time of requirement. And within 40 to 45 days our leaves will start producing new plants from the tip area, and when they become settled properly, then we can grow them separately in other area. Here we need to take care about the most important point, that each succulent store water in their leaves and stem, and when we cut them, then this liquid come out from the cut area, and this can affect the root formation process during the leaf cutting method. So if you are living in warm and arid area or the summer season is running, then we should not worry about this point, and we can place all these leaves directly on soil and root formation will not affect. But if you are living in such area where the temperature is low or winter or rainy season is running, then we should callus off all these leaves before placing in soil, so that after callus off the root formation will start smoothly. So friends, these are the two methods for succulents propagation. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query and suggestion, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.